If you're wondering whether your ex is missing you during a no-contact period, there are several subtle signs to look for. For instance, if she's asking your friends about you or keeping in touch with your family, it may indicate she's trying to maintain a connection without breaking the no-contact rule. Additionally, if she's still following you on social media and posting frequently, whether it's content meant to provoke feelings of jealousy or to show she's moved on, this could be a way of seeking your attention. Moreover, if she hasn't started dating anyone new, it might suggest she's still holding on to feelings for you. Conversations about you with others, especially if they lean toward nostalgia rather than negativity, can also be a strong indicator that she wants to rekindle the relationship. Finally, if she seems to be working on personal improvements or reaching out to you when drunk, these actions can point to her grappling with the breakup and potentially seeking reconciliation.